Welcome to our scenario planning presentation for SIG, prepared by Syndicate 7 of BLEMBA 34. In this video, we will walk you through our strategic analysis and recommendation for navigating market challenges and opportunities over the coming years. I'm Risco, and let's catch up our team member. Let's introduce SIG as one of the biggest SOE in Indonesia. So, let's swim our material. Our vision is to lead as the foremost building material solution provider in the region. Our mission focuses on achieving customer satisfaction in every business initiative, applying best practices for superior quality, preserving the environment, ensuring sustainable social responsibility, providing added value for stakeholders, and focusing on human capital as the cornerstone of our development. SIG is a leading building material solution provider in the region. Our services range from budget and bulk cement to concrete, mortar, and precast solutions. In addition to our core products, we provide support services such as transportation, packaging, and equipment provision. Our complementary services included property and industrial waste management.
Revita Indriani is back! Since we are talking about this scenario planning process, especially the first phase, which is orientation, then let me explain the orientation process. Let's go to the slide. Our scenario planning process includes four main steps: orientation, exploration, scenario creation, and integration. This structured approach helps us identify key focal issues, driving forces, and uncertainties that could impact our businesses. Let's dive deeper into each step. Okay, the orientation steps involves identifying the main focal issues. For SIG, the primary question is how to respond to market price competition and increasing environmental awareness among customers. This requires us to consider societal needs for infrastructure development and our capabilities in reducing CO2 emissions through innovative practice. Our business idea revolves around sustaining value creation through innovation and environmental sustainability. We leverage our resources such as skilled workforce and financial strength to invest in technology and R&D. This ensures long-term growth and positive contribution to society and the environment. Additionally, our competitive advantage include aligning with sustainability, using innovative material solutions, and focusing on community empowerment effort.
Hi, I'm Andri. I want to show you about our scenario process, so let's see the slides. In the exploration step, we analyze the contextual and transactional environments. Key driving forces in our contextual environment include the growth rate of Indonesia economy, infrastructure development progress, investment in cleaner technologies, advances in cement production technology, digital transformation within the industry, export opportunities, pressure to reduce carbon emissions, the competitive landscape, shift in customer preferences, and value-based pricing. So, in our transactional environment, we focus on stakeholders such as retail customers, suppliers, competitors, local communities, B2B customers, and logistic partners. Understanding all these factors helps us anticipate changes and adapt our strategies accordingly. Furthermore, we consider additional driving forces such as government policy, regional economic stability, technological advancement, and social trends. In government policies, it can significantly impact business operation through regulation and incentives. Regional economic stability affects market condition and consumer purchasing power. And technological advancement offer opportunities for innovation and efficiency improvements. And social trends, including changing demographics and lifestyle preferences, also influence consumer behavior and demand for our products. We identify critical uncertainties that could significantly impact our businesses. These uncertainties include environmental regulation, technological advances, supply chain reliability, infrastructure spending, economic growth rates, value-based pricing, and shift in customer preferences. Evaluating all of this impact and uncertainty of all of these factors are crucial for our scenario planning.
Hi, Al here. Now we're getting to the fun part. I'm going to explain about scenario analysis for the uncertainties that's been mentioned previously by Calvin. Here we can see a matrix that is used to map the level of uncertainties. This matrix not only helps us visualize the potential outcome but also develop appropriate strategies for each scenarios. After analyzing the situation, we ended up with 4 scenarios. The first one is timeless value trap, where customers have low preferences for sustainability, but they can justify the value of the product to pricing. It means they don't always look for the cheapest one in the market. The second one is green success sphere, where customers are fully aware about sustainable product. They also willing to pay more for the product that align with their environmental values. The third one is value sacrifice zone, where customers show a little interest in sustainable product and effectiveness of value-based pricing diminished, leading them to buy a product due to its lower prices. The last one is green saving zone. Despite the customer having strong preferences for sustainability, they are paying less than potential value that they perceive, which is an indicator of lack alignment between their values and the product's pricing strategy. In the timeless value trap scenario, SIG must compete primarily on price. The company should focus on operational efficiency and cost reduction to maintain competitive pricing. Traditional marketing strategies that emphasize on price, availability, and reliability will be the key. In the green success sphere scenario, SIG can charge a premium for its sustainable product. They can focus on developing and marketing eco-friendly product with strong value proposition. Investment in sustainable practices will be justified by the ability to command higher prices. In the value sacrifice zone scenario, SIG need to emphasize cost competitiveness while maintaining sustainability. The company must streamline sustainable practices to keep price competitive. Marketing effort also should focus on the affordability and environmental benefit of the product. In the green saving zone scenario, SIG must focus on traditional value proposition such as quality, durability, and performance. The pricing of the product can be differentiated based on these attributes. On the marketing side, SIG should highlight each superior value and benefits of their product segment to justify higher prices. Lastly, in addition to this scenario, SIG are required to be adaptive and resilient to mitigate any risk that could happen in the future. By listening to early warning signals and adjusting strategy to the consideration, we ensure that our scenario planning is comprehensive and robust.
Hi, I'm Dimas. Now let's continue to consequences and options. For each scenario, we identify potential consequences. The first one, timeless value trap. We identify for the weak signal, lack of interest in sustainability compared with the price and limited regulatory enforcement for the sustainability regulations. The consequences of it is that potentially lower profit margins due to intense price competition. The option that we have, we implement cost-saving technologies, negotiate better terms with the suppliers, and streamline operation to enhance efficiency. Second, green success sphere. The weak signal that we identify is that customers frequently praise the company's sustainable practice and product in online reviews. In addition to that, competitors start introducing more sustainable products and marketing them successfully. The consequences of this, higher upfront costs for sustainable practices, but long-term profitability through premium pricing. The option that we have, partner with environmental organization for certification, invest in marketing campaign that highlight sustainability, and continuously innovate eco-friendly products. The third one, green saving zone. Customer appreciate sustainability product but find them too expensive. And there are already regulations regarding tax incentive for sustainable practices. The consequences of that need to maintain high product quality while managing the cost. And the option that we have is that invest in R&D for efficient product, adopt digital technologies for cost saving, and enhance customer engagement through value-based marketing. The last, value sacrifice zone. We identified increased customer inquiries and demands for more affordable, budget-friendly product lines, and customers also give a feedback constantly, demanding the price is the most critical factor in purchasing decision. The consequences of this, balancing sustainability with cost efficiency could be challenging. The option that we had, focus on incremental sustainability improvement, leverage government incentive for green practices, and educate consumers about the benefit of eco-friendly products. Now, we continue with scenario integration slide. The first one is that timeless value trap. We are trying to divide into three categories. The first one is product, second research and development, the third one is marketing. What is the scenario integration that we have for the timeless value trap? From the product perspective, we focus on delivering high quality product. From the R&D, we intensively research on generating product based on value. And from the marketing, we put traditional value proposition on the campaign process. The second one, sacrifice value zone. On the sacrifice value zone, from the product perspective, we just focus on delivering what will be the most efficient product value. From the R&D, we have a limited investment on that front, but we are doing research and development only to ensure that we have the value from our product. The last one, from the marketing perspective, we brand our product as the most affordable product and using the most efficient marketing campaign. The third one, green success spear. In this area, we prioritize environmental friendly and high quality product, focus on researching sustainability and innovative product. And for the last one, for the marketing perspective, we move towards digital campaigns and brand proposition as premium and sustainable product. The last one, green saving zone. From the product perspective, we create the product that provide a cost-efficient and sustainable product. From R&D perspective, we focus on provide sustainable material with the most efficient production cost. And the last, from marketing, we brand our product as the most environmental friendly product and more towards digital campaigns.
Hi, I'm Maggie. Please bear with me for a bit while I'm explaining a few slides regarding the causal loop diagram for all four scenarios. So, for the timeless value trap scenario, customer preferences are inclined more toward the value of the product and are less eco-conscious. They are willing to pay premium price for high product value. We can see here in this scenario that the customer preference will influence SIG R&D team to focus more toward optimizing product performance and quality. The same thing is also happening with the marketing team. While in the second scenario, for the green success sphere scenario, customers in this scenario are more eco-conscious and they will pay premium price for sustainable products. We can see from the loop here that an increase in environmental awareness supported by the existence of regulatory compliance will increase the customer with eco-conscious mindset. This will drive the SIG R&D team to focus their research towards sustainability innovations. Those innovations will bring the production team up to a specific sustainable production standard that will grant them sustainable certifications. Then, we can use those certifications to charge premium price to our customers. Aside that, those certifications can also be used for marketing purposes that will attract more eco-conscious customers to buy the product. In the green saving zone scenario, it's quite similar with the previous one, where customers are eco-conscious, but the difference here is they don't want to pay an extra or premium price to obtain sustainable products that are aligned with their value or principle. So, the company here should spend more effort in the R&D to optimize low cost and sustainable materials as substitute for the current fuel and raw materials being used in the production. This will drive the price to be more competitive or on par with other non-sustainable products. The last scenario, the value sacrifice zone, shows us a situation where the customers doesn't really care about the sustainable aspects of the product and only pay attention to the product pricing. In this scenario, the R&D will once again focus on finding substitutes of the fuel and raw materials that will drive the cost of production to be most efficient, thus resulting in competitive product price. The marketing effort is very minimal, or if there's none, we only emphasize on the price point of the product, which is their main advantage in this scenario.
So, SIG must strategically navigate market price competition and increasing environmental awareness by tailoring its product offerings and pricing strategies to align with varying customer preferences for sustainability, ultimately positioning itself as a leading building material solution provider that ensures long-term growth and positive contribution to the environment and society. Thank you for your attention.